per 114 grams. How much should I add to make it evenly 500 grams calories? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Bless you. All right, let's figure out the cottage cheese portion to get you right at that 500 calorie mark. Right now, with the pasta and the cheese combined, we have about over 114 grams. Solving for Rex is going to be 4.56 grams. So you'd only need about 4.5 grams of cottage cheese to add those last 4 calories. That's a tiny bit, but if you want to round it up, you can add about 5 grams